Now this table number one, that is the emission norms implementation. As you can see, we have the standards been implemented in India. Indian standard as 2000, then we came Bharat stage 2, then we came Bharat stage 3, then we came Bharat stage 4, then Bharat stage 5 and Bharat stage 6. So in reference to the European standards like Euro 1, Euro 2, Euro 3, then Euro 4, Euro 5 and Euro 6. So then there was years in which it was been implemented. Bharat stage 2 was implemented 2001, then in April 2003, April 2005. Now then came the Bharat stage 3, that is Euro 3 in April 2005, April 2010, then Bharat stage 4, Euro 4 in 2010 and April 2017. Now we skipped the Bharat stage 5 or Euro 5 and then we entered into the Bharat stage 6, that is European 6 standard. So these regions where it has been implemented, in Delhi it was implemented in April 2018, and in the national capital region it was implemented in 2019, and now the whole worldwide, wherever the districts, wherever the states, now in April 2020 nationwide, the Euro 6 or Bharat stage 6 fuels are being given as a standard fuel. Okay. Then we have the next table, that is the emission targets. Here you can see there is Bharat stage 4, then Bharat stage 6 limits. Here we can see in the petrol engines and diesel engines, these are the amount of emissions that is being measured in milligram per kilometer. Means in 1 kilometer how much amount of carbon dioxide is been emitted on the road. For Bharat stage 4 limit was 1000, Bharat stage 6 limit is 1000. The percentage decrease is nil. So we can say while implementing the Bharat stage 6 limit, the CO level has not reduced, and the hydrocarbon level is also the same, whereas the NOx has been reduced 25% in case of the petrol engine. So where it is more beneficial is, it is more beneficial in the diesel engine. So here in the diesel engine you can see, according to the exhaust gases, you can see there is 43% of reduction in the hydrocarbon HC, that is around 170 milligram per kilometer in case of diesel, and when we talk of the NOx, it is around 68%. Means from 250 milligram per kilometers, the value has been reached to 80 milligram per kilometer. So we can see there is a lot of reduction, around 68% reduction is there in the NOx matter. Then we have particulate matter. In particulate matter, we can see there is a reduction of around 82%. So it is much more, the Bharat stage 6 fuel is much more beneficial for your diesel engines, and in petrol engines, due to the 25% reduction in the NOx value, it is beneficial for petrol engines as well. Now here we can see the properties of the Bharat stage 6 fuel. Here the density of petrol is around 720 kilogram per meter cube, and here you can see the distillation E70, E100, E150. Then you have the residues 2%. So here what we can see is the sulfur content. You focus on the sulfur content. The sulfur content is around 8 milligram per kg maximum, and the rated octane number for this particular fuel is 91.4, and the motor octane number for this particular fuel is 81.4. Now there are certain additives being added in this fuel, that is benzene. Then we have 35% of maximum aromatics. Then olefin, it has 21%. Then it has a minimum amount of lead and minimum amount of oxygen. and oxygen stability of this particular Bharat Stage 6 fuel is, oxygen stability is 360 minutes per minute. Okay. Now the Bharat Stage 6 fuel, the properties in diesel engine, as you can see, the density of this diesel is around 821 kgs per meter cube. Here also the sulfur content is 8 milligram per kg. The cetane number value of this particular Bharat Stage 6 fuel is 51.4, whereas its cetane index is 46. Very important is the oxidation stability. Then you have contaminants also 24 milligram per kg. So this table represents the properties of the Bharat Stage 6 graded fuel. So these are the properties being delivered by the manufacturers, the R&D sector. Now, what is the importance of the Bharat Stage 6 fuel? So we will get more fuel efficient and very low emission producing vehicles in the near future. And diesel vehicles will get more expensive as they require more after treatments to stay clean. They will undergo different alternative fuels and hybrid technologies. It will attract. To achieve emission limits, the specified Bharat Stage 6 samples amount of engine electronics will required. This will enhance the domestic and MNC automotive electronic suppliers, the vendors and engineer solution providing companies for eco testing, fuel system testing, and emission testings are also going to benefit a lot. Through all the efforts, people can ensure significance in air pollution from automobiles. The cities will be less pollutant as the other polluted matter will be low when we use this Bharat Stage 6 fuel.